Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our lesson 6 of our Arabic quranic vocabulary. Inshallah, bismillah, let's get started. So the first word is qad. Qad means has. It is used with some of the action words. Qad, or it means surely. Tha, it means well for near futures with some action. Tha and some action word, it will be for well for near future. Sawfa, it also means well for future. La and some fa'ila, some action word, and na, will surely. Laqad, indeed. Laqad, indeed. La, indeed, surely. Li, for amr. Let. Al, the, or aw, or ba'd, some of, kulla, everyone, all, kulla, everyone, all. Inna, verily, truly. Inna, verily, truly. Anna, that. Ka'anna, as if. Lakin means but however. La'alla, perhaps, maybe. An, that. In, if. Iya, alone. Asa, possibly. Lamma, when. Low, if. Ya ayyuha, it is for O. For example, we have Ya ayyuhal ladina amanu. Oh, you those who believe. Ya ayyuhal ladhi. Oh, you those who believe. Okay, so we use Ya for O. So let's just recap once again. Qad with some action word has. Surely. Sa, will. Sawfa, will. La, will surely. Laqad, indeed. La, indeed, surely. Li, let. Al, the. Or. Aw, or. Ba'd, some. Kulla, everyone, all. Inna, verily, truly. Anna, that. Ka'anna, as if. Lakin, but however. La'alla, perhaps, maybe. An, that. In, if. Iya, alone. Asa, possibly. Lamma, when. Low, if. Ya ayyuha, it means oh. So alhamdulillah, we have covered lesson 6. Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.